Hey there, tech fans. Today I'm really excited to show you my new favorite outdoor accessory that I can't wait to start using this summer. It's an outdoor lighting solution from a company called BougeRV that's portable, it's weatherproof, it's rechargeable, it's incredibly clever, and it's configurable. Now, what do I mean by configurable? Well, you can pull it, you can twist it, you can extend it, and it turns into a table lamp, a freestanding lamp, a hanging lamp. You can even use it as a flashlight or a battery bank, all in a product that's about the same size as a can of tennis balls. Now, I'll get into all the whiz-bang features in a minute, but I always like to start with an unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the kit, and then I'll talk about the specifications so you understand what this can provide, and then I'll talk about why I use this product and why I settled on this particular product over all the other camping lights that are out there. But let's get started with the unboxing first. So when you first pop open the box, you'll find the light. You'll find a charging cable, which is a USB-C to USB-C. Now, if I'm going to pick on anything in the kit, it's the length of this cable. It's incredibly short, about that long, which means you have to be really close to the charger. But let's be honest, all of us have USB-C to USB-C cables or USB-A to USB-C cables to charge it, and there's a USB-C port on the side, so you can use any standard wall charger to fully charge this unit in a really short amount of time. They also include ground spikes. Now, you might be thinking, what do I need ground spikes for? Well, when I extend this and show you how tall it is, you'll be surprised, and you want to make sure that if you're out camping and the wind picks up, that it's somehow staked to the ground. So these fit through the feet on the bottom of the unit, and you can push them down into the dirt, and that'll make it really, really stable. You'll also find a carrying case. Now, when I said clever before, one of my pet peeves with products like this is when I'm out there camping, there's a lot of stuff to lose. There's a lot of stuff to leave behind at home. I forgot the ground stakes, I forgot the charging cable, and I really am frustrated because I can't really use the product the way I want. Well, the case that comes with the unit is sort of like a canvas material, so it's going to protect it from scratching and getting banged up, but it's also going to organize your equipment because on the back there's a little pouch right here with a Velcro strip at the top where you can slide all the accessories in there, so when you leave for the day, you've got everything you need inside of this container. It also has a really nice strap on the top, which you can use around your hand if you're hiking, or you can hang it off a lanyard in the back of your backpack. So I really think they thought of everything there. All right, so let's talk about the light because, man, this has got everything I want. So the unit weighs about 2.3 pounds, so it seems heavy, but it really covers all of your lighting needs, whether you're out camping, you're RVing, maybe you're hiking through the woods, or you're flying your drone and it's starting to get a little bit dark. And that's exactly why I was looking for a light like this, because during the summer months, the spring months, and fall months, I do spend a lot of time outdoors, whether I'm hiking or I'm flying the drone or just out there exploring the wilderness. And a lot of times the day has been so much fun that it starts to turn darker. And I need a light. I need a light to organize my equipment. I want it to be freestanding because, you know, if you have a flashlight, you can kind of balance it on a branch or you have somebody else hold it. But having a freestanding light is really important to me because if I'm trying to organize stuff, I don't want a light flashing all over the place. So this gives me that freestanding light. I also play a lot of games outdoors at night with my kids, and I want to have a place where I can have a light on a table if we're playing cards or playing a board game. This gives me that as well. It also has a flashlight on the top of it. It's great in your car. It's got reflective material, and I'll show you that in a minute. So it does all of that. But as far as specifications go, I needed it to last a long time. This unit has 15,600 milliampere hours of internal energy, which means you can run this for hours and hours and hours on that low setting. It also is able to provide external power through this USB-C port on the bottom. So once you turn the light on, this becomes live, and you can use this cable to charge your phone, your tablet, or any other device that you can plug into the bottom. It's a USB-C connection here to whatever connection you need on the other end. Now this one is great if you've got an Android product or something that uses a USB-C, but if you've got an Apple product or somebody else's product, you can plug your cable in there and charge that device. So let me show you what the product can do. It's collapsible, which is pretty impressive. I can extend it. Oh, so it's also got an IP54 rating, which means it can get wet. You can't drop it in the river, but it can get wet when you're out there. A little bit of drizzle is not going to hurt it. So the unit itself has a few buttons on the top, and it's got a power button on the bottom to turn it on, as well as a little hook here that you can extend if you're out camping. You can extend this hook, and you can hang this from the top of your tent, and you can use the flashlight, or you can use these three wings that flip out, and I'll show you those in a second. But let me turn it on here on the bottom, and you'll know it's on because there are LEDs right there that let you know what the current charge level is. Now for me, it's fully charged, and there are 4 LEDs, so each of those represent 25% of the charge. Make sure you close this rubber gasket up when you're not charging it or using it to charge something else to make sure you don't get water inside of it. All right, so the first position is to pull it apart. You'll grab the top, you'll grab the bottom, and you can slide it out. Now if you want to set it up as a table lamp, you can stand it on the table, and you can put these 3 wings up. Now you might be thinking, boy, that sure looks a little unstable there, Rick. I don't know if I like that. Well, guess what? On the bottom, there are feet that pull out, like this. Look at this. So you can pull all 3 feet out. And before I mention these ground spikes, there are holes in the bottom of the feet. Well, when you have it on the ground like this, all you have to do with these ground spikes is push them into the dirt. This thing's not going anywhere. But if you're out there and you're playing games on a table someplace, now you've got this beautiful light on your table that's going to light everything up around you. These fins on the top are extendable, and they're also twisting. Look, I can go 270 degrees, so I can face it straight up like that, or I can point it in any direction I want beyond that. So I can go 270 degrees with these. And if you're out camping and you're in your tent, you might want to put them up like that against the top of your tent, because I found that when you reflect light off the top of a tent or some other structure, it bounces back down. Number one, it spreads out further, so it gives you better coverage, but it also is less offensive. It's less like blinky when you're doing that, you know, the lighting off the ceiling like that. All right, so let me show you one other thing, because this thing extends a long way. It'll go up to 64.5 inches tall, which is almost 5 feet. So you've got a really long distance there for this. And then if you point that at the ceiling, you're going to get a really good throw of the light. But for me, when I'm standing it up outside, I can't stand it on the table here, but if I'm standing it up outside, I'm pointing these down at the work area below. That makes it a little bit easier to see exactly what I'm doing. So let me show you. I'll power it on first. There's the power on. Now I've got one light on. I'll hit it again. There's the second light. And there's the third light. So you've got some control over how many lights are lit. You've also got control over the color of the lights. Let me do that next. You can turn it off. You can vary the lumens, the brightness of the lumens, up to 3,000 lumens with all 3 lights on, because each of these are 1,000 lumens. So if you need it really bright, turn on all 3, you'll have 3,000 lumens. You can also vary the temperature from 3,000 to 6,000 Kelvin. I like the lower temperature like this, the 3,000 Kelvin. It's a more warm light. It's a little easier. But if you want the brighter light, you can hit the button and you can go to the brighter light as well, which is closer to 6,000 Kelvin. If you tap it again, the flashlight's on. So now you've got the flashlight going. And then there's one more light over here that'll change the intensity. So you can go from low to medium to high. And that'll vary across both the 3,000 and 6,000 Kelvin. So no matter which one you're using, there's the 3,000 Kelvin. That's low, medium, and high. So I like the fact that it gives me a tremendous amount of control, not only over the intensity, but the temperature and where I direct that light. So I can point it up at the ceiling, I can point it on a work area, I can turn one of these on if I only need a desk lamp over something I'm working here. Obviously the battery's going to last a lot longer if I do it that way, but I can also turn it all the way up if I need a lot of lighting. And the incredible thing about this is when you have it in a full standing mode near your campsite or near the area you're sitting, it throws a tremendous amount of light out around you. So it illuminates almost the entire area. So for me, it's great as a table lamp when we're playing games. It's great out in the wilderness when I've got to organize my gear. If I want to sit back and relax out there in the woods, I've got plenty of lighting to read a book or do whatever I'm doing. It's also great when you're out with your car. I'd mentioned that before, but these reflective strips right here are right up inside the unit. So when you set this up outside, if you lay that down, see those reflective strips? They're going to see that if you set it up off to the side of the road. And if you set it up like this, then they're visible from a distance as well. So they've really thought of everything, because a lot of companies would have built something like this and not thought about that strip right there. And what BougeRV did was to say, look, that's exposed when it's opened. Why don't we put some reflective material on there that when the lights are up, they'll light that reflective material, so this light will be seen from quite a distance away. And that way, if you're broken down, unfortunately, on the side of the road, you can set this up. Other cars are going to see that reflective, they're going to see the lighting, and they're going to know that you need some help. So I think they've done a great job with it. I've been using it for the last couple of weeks. There hasn't been a lot of time to go outside because the weather's been pretty nasty, but I can't wait to use this over the summer because it's small enough where I can take it with me anywhere. It's only 2 pounds, a little over 2 pounds, but it gives me all the lighting I need for a very long period of time. It's collapsible. It's got the rotating fins on it on either side of it. It's got the weatherproof rating. I can change the intensity. I can change the temperature of it. And that was one thing that kind of separated it from a lot of the other lights that I looked at, because there's a ton of lights on the market that do similar things. This one had everything I needed. All the things I'd mentioned a minute ago, plus the fact that I could change the temperature, because that bright white light is great if you need intense light to work on something. But if you don't, this 3,000 Kelvin is right in that zone where it's not offensive. It's a very warm light, and you can get plenty of lighting, but not have that blinky kind of bright white light in your eyes. So anyway, I like it an awful lot. Hopefully you found this review helpful. I think it's a really cool product, and we'll see you next time.